To access the reporting area of the CustomerConnect portal, select the Menu option in the upper left-hand corner of the dashboard screen. Hover over the My Account submenu and select My Reports. For customers that have more than one location tied to the same billing email address in their account, in the My Reports section of the CustomerConnect portal, you will have the ability to run reports for your current location or all of your locations altogether. Reporting will default to the past 90 days. However, you are able to adjust this date range to 30 days, 60 days, 1 year, or a customized date range. The My Reports dashboard will offer several different reports that you may run. You may run an Open Conditions report. A condition is an item at your business that could be conducive to pest control concerns, such as gaps around a pipe that could lead to rodent entry into the business. You may run a pest captured report or areas with pest captures. You may access your inspection reports for specific services. You may run a device summary report to see the services each device at your location has had. This will include items such as interior or exterior bait stations. You can run a trending report for pest evidence within these specific types of devices, and a material summary report. Lastly, if your location has pest thresholds set up, you can run a threshold report. For more information regarding conditions and materials on the CustomerConnect portal, please visit vikingpest.com and navigate to the Resources section to view our full playlist of CustomerConnect portal videos. Or stay tuned to the very end of this video for a quick link to our playlist and specifically our Conditions and Materials video. To access your diagrams, on the dashboard screen, select the Menu option in the upper left-hand corner. Hover over the My Account submenu and select My Diagrams. In the My Diagrams section of the CustomerConnect portal, you will see any diagrams set up for your location. In the example here, our customer has a diagram for their Trelona service, which is a termite baiting system. If you have multiple diagrams set up for your location, in the drop-down menu on the right-hand portion of the screen, you will be able to toggle between your multiple diagrams. To access your documents, click the Menu option in the upper left on the dashboard screen. Hover over the My Account submenu and select My Documents. The My Documents section of the CustomerConnect portal will show any documents currently uploaded to your account. You may filter your results by a specific date range or by the type of document. The most common type of document uploaded within an account is an account document. To view a copy of your document, simply click on the document to download a PDF copy. If you have any questions on your reports, diagrams, or documents, please contact our Customer Loyalty Center. You may email us at customerservice@vikingpest.com or call us at 1-800 1-800-618-BUGS. That's 1-800-618-2847. You may also ask a question through the Customer Connect portal. To watch a video on how to ask a question through the Customer Connect portal, navigate to vikingpest.com on your web browser and go to the Resources section. Under the Customer Support area in Customer Connect portal, you will find a full playlist of all Customer Connect portal videos, including asking questions and sending messages. Thank you for being a Viking Termite and Pest Control customer. To watch our Services, Conditions, and Materials video, please click here. To watch a video on asking questions and sending messages, please click here. For a full playlist of all Customer Connect portal videos, please click here.